Shawn Davis from AutotopiaLA. We're out here in my shop. September that just passed was 10 years since I've had this, so the original premise of this place being a vehicle storage facility and related concierge services, that's where we're at, and then it's also become the home of AutotopiaLA, which is our YouTube channel, and now our podcast, which we've launched recently. If you walk around, you'll see CTEK chargers everywhere that I've been using, multiple different models through the years. I love that you guys have brought out this NXT5 because I love the idea that you can hook up to a lead acid, a lithium battery, and the same charger is going to work on both of those, which until now, as far as I know, we've not had that. And I think that's a huge, huge, huge improvement in the world of battery charging.